For much of the modern digital era, the camera industry has felt like a closed club. Sony, Canon, and Nikon have controlled the pace, taking turns refining autofocus algorithms, increasing burst rates, and squeezing a little more video performance out of familiar designs. Progress has been real, but rarely revolutionary. As 2026 begins, that comfortable rhythm is being disturbed by a presence few traditional photographers ever expected to challenge the status quo. This disruption is not coming from Japan or Europe, but from Shenzhen. DJI, long known as a leader in drones, gimbals, and creator tools, is preparing to step into the mirrorless camera market, and the implications reach far beyond a single product announcement. DJI's reputation has never been built on tradition. Instead, it has been shaped by speed, engineering ambition, and a willingness to rethink how cameras move, track, and interact with users. For years, DJI played a supporting role in photography and filmmaking, supplying the tools that stabilized cameras rather than the cameras themselves. But after facing restrictions and bans in the US drone market, DJI appears ready to redirect its innovation engine toward a new core product. The rumored DJI Mirrorless Camera represents a pivot from being an accessory brand to becoming a primary imaging platform. This move is significant because it challenges not just existing cameras, but the philosophy behind them. The established giants have refined mirrorless cameras through incremental improvements, often constrained by legacy systems and long product cycles. DJI, by contrast, approaches imaging as a technology problem first and a tradition second. The DJI Mirrorless Camera is widely rumored to embody that mindset, aiming to combine hardware, software, stabilization, and computational tools into a single, tightly integrated device. As speculation continues to build, several themes consistently emerge. One of the most talked about elements is the sensor itself. Reports frequently point to a 44-megapixel full-frame sensor, a resolution choice that appears deliberate rather than excessive. This places the DJI mirrorless camera in a unique position, offering enough detail for high-end photography while maintaining manageable data rates for video. Rather than chasing extreme megapixel counts, DJI seems to be targeting versatility, allowing creators to move fluidly between stills and cinema-quality video without compromise. Video, unsurprisingly, is expected to be central to the camera's identity. Oversampled 4K, high frame rates, and professional codecs are widely anticipated, but the real conversation centers on sustainability. One of the most common frustrations with current mirrorless cameras is overheating during prolonged recording. DJI's experience in aerial platforms and cinema systems suggests it may address this directly. Rumors indicate active cooling technology adapted from Inspire drones and the Ronin 4D, potentially allowing the DJI mirrorless camera to maintain peak performance during extended shoots where competitors often falter. Lens compatibility has historically been a major barrier for new camera systems, but DJI appears to have neutralized that risk before launch. By joining the L-Mount Alliance, DJI instantly gains access to a mature lens ecosystem. This decision could dramatically accelerate adoption, allowing users to pair the DJI mirrorless camera with optics from Leica, Sigma, and Panasonic from day one. Instead of waiting years for native lenses, professionals could immediately integrate the camera into existing workflows. The idea of combining DJI's stabilization and autofocus expertise with Leica's optical character or Sigma's precision has captured the imagination of many enthusiasts. The physical design of the camera is also expected to break from convention. Rather than adopting the familiar DSLR-inspired shape, leaks suggest a compact, box-style magnesium alloy body focused on heat dissipation and modularity. This design language prioritizes performance over nostalgia. DJI has never been sentimental about form factors, and the DJI mirrorless camera seems poised to reflect that philosophy. Every line and surface is rumored to serve a functional purpose, whether for cooling, mounting accessories, or balancing handheld rigs. Autofocus may be the most disruptive area of all. DJI's LiDAR-based focusing systems have already demonstrated remarkable accuracy in the Ronin ecosystem, especially when paired with manual cinema lenses. Integrating this technology directly into a mirrorless camera could redefine expectations. Traditional phase detection autofocus systems, while highly advanced, still rely on contrast and available light. A LiDAR-assisted system could enable precise focusing even in near darkness, offering a level of reliability that existing mirrorless cameras struggle to achieve. For filmmakers working in uncontrolled environments, this could be transformative. Color science is another area where DJI holds a unique advantage. Through its ownership of Hasselblad, DJI has access to the Hasselblad natural color solution. This color philosophy emphasizes subtle tonal transitions and realistic rendering rather than aggressive processing. If the DJI mirrorless camera incorporates even part of this approach, it could appeal strongly to photographers and filmmakers who value natural skin tones and cinematic depth. Color, after all, is not just data, it's emotion, and DJI appears keenly aware of that distinction. User experience is expected to reflect DJI's software-driven DNA. Instead of dense, text-heavy menus buried within layers of options, the DJI mirrorless camera is rumored to feature a clean, icon-based interface inspired by DJI Fly and Ronin control apps. This could significantly reduce setup time and frustration, particularly for creators already embedded in the DJI ecosystem. In a market where menu systems often feel like relics of the past, an intuitive interface could become a major competitive advantage. Of course, DJI's entry into mirrorless cameras is not without challenges. Sony, Canon, and Nikon have spent decades cultivating trust and loyalty. Sony currently dominates autofocus and sensor innovation, Canon is praised for ergonomics and pleasing color, and Nikon continues to refine durability and optical performance. DJI's rumored competitors, including Sony's cinema-oriented hybrids, Canon's high-resolution flagships, and Nikon's future pro bodies, already command established user bases. DJI's strategy does not appear to be direct imitation, but differentiation through integration and speed. Pricing rumors suggest the DJI mirrorless camera could land between $2,800 and $3,200. If accurate, this positions it below many flagship models while potentially offering features associated with higher-end cinema tools. The promise of something resembling a compact Ronin 4D experience, advanced stabilization, professional codecs, and robust thermal performance, at this price point would be difficult to ignore. The value proposition becomes not just about cost, but about how much complexity the camera removes from production. The psychological barrier of switching systems remains significant. Cameras are deeply personal tools, and many professionals have built careers around specific brands. DJI appears to recognize this, which is why the DJI mirrorless camera is rumored to emphasize ecosystem advantages rather than isolated specs. DJI is not just selling a camera body, it is offering a unified workflow built around software, connectivity, and automation. This ecosystem vision may be DJI's most powerful asset. Modern creators often work across multiple devices: drones, action cameras, mirrorless bodies, audio systems, and gimbals, each with its own batteries, media, and color profiles. A DJI mirrorless camera could unify these elements. Imagine instant pairing with DJI microphones, shared color science across aerial and ground footage, wireless monitoring through existing DJI controllers, and automatic cloud uploads via SN before leaving the set. These are not distant fantasies, but logical extensions of technologies DJI already controls. If even a portion of the rumors surrounding the DJI mirrorless camera prove accurate, the 44-megapixel sensor, L-mount compatibility, LiDAR autofocus, advanced stabilization, and ecosystem-level integration, the established giants will be forced to respond. DJI is not trying to replicate what already exists. It is attempting to reimagine what a mirrorless camera can be when hardware and software are designed as a single system. The fullest potential of modern imaging may no longer be theoretical. It may already be taking shape, quietly but confidently, under the DJI name.